perform this, you will need a Phillips bit, a drill, and a flathead screwdriver. First, unlock and open the sash of the double hung window. Tilt it down and make the sash level with the ground. Pop the sash out of the frame of the window. Set the sash aside somewhere safe. Using a flathead screwdriver, start to pop off the balance cover. Using that same screwdriver, remove the balance pull string. Next, you want to make sure that you have the correct balance. The particular one in this video is a 13 HD. Next, using your drill, remove the balance screw and the balance itself. Take your new balance and either reuse the screw or use a supplied new screw to reinstall the balance into the frame. Taking your flathead screwdriver, pull the balance string back down into the shoe and reattach it. Next, reinstall your balance cover. And the final step is to reinstall your sash. Once the sash is reinstalled back into the frame, check to make sure that the balance is working properly and that you have a smooth motion up and down with your sash.